Hello and welcome to the 8th video in this series. Charts are a cornerstone in any customizer's armory to display meaningful information. In this video I walk you through the fundamentals. Please subscribe below or follow me on Twitter, LinkedIn or at my blog, where you will also find a full transcript of this video. Enjoy! Charts in D365 allow a visualization of the data from a view. We discussed views earlier in the series, so won't go into that. Starting at the entity in your solution, you navigate to Charts, select Add Chart. The new chart display comes up. We will begin with a simple column chart. Select Legend Entries. This is the column that will be counted or summed up, etc., giving you your y-axis in this chart type. Next, select the Series Entries. This gives you your x-axis bands. If you choose a date field, you can define the date period. Now hit Save and Close. The chart appears in the solution. Over in the user interface, if you select the entities and views, you will have an option to display a chart, giving you this visualization. Here you can see the chart we defined has been brought through. If you select one or more of the bars in the chart, the view gets filtered by the selected data, and it also allows you to drill down, dividing the data into other categories. This chart is a system chart. System charts can be part of your solution, being able to move between environments, but you will not be able to secure them. Either everyone sees the chart or no one does. If you want to only share certain charts with groups of users, you should use user charts. It also allows me to show you the other visualizations easier. On the chart, if I select new, I will be creating a new user chart only initially shared with my user. The same interface appears and allows you to define the chart. I have given this a separate name, hit Save and Close. Back in the user interface, on hard refresh, the new chart appears. Also on the chart, I have the ability to share. Here I can share with other users or teams of users. Using a count, as there is more data, I will run through the options available to you. Firstly, I make a copy of the out-of-the-box account by industry, then select Edit. This chart starts off as a bar chart. Firstly, switch to a column chart. Next we can add a field to the series to show a max number of employees in each sector. You can only have more than one series or legend entry, not both at the same time. So next I remove the number of employees and add a second series for country or region. You can see now that the bars are split up by country then industry. Swapping the series over allows you to imagine the data in a different way. Let's look at the other options. Stack bar or column is great for you to show percentage data, but only works if the totals are roughly the same. Areas have a different visualization, good for a timeline data to show increases. Line does not have the overlap like area, again great to show variations in time. You'll notice that I cannot choose the other types. This is because I have more than one series or legend displayed. These visualizations rely on two-dimensional data only. I remove the series for country to show these other options and select a simple pie chart. This chart has a high number of records that are redundant, no industry, so it might be worth filtering using a different view or fixing the data. Funnel charts are useful to show progress for a sales cycle, changing the size of the segment depending on the count of records. Tags display a list of fields in the category and account, great for quickly visualizing other data for filtering. And finally, donuts are another visualization. They work well with small sets of types. To limit data, either use a different view or you can grab the top or bottom number of records from the view. Here I limit it to the top 3 types displayed, hence our visualization is a lot more appealing. Thanks for watching. I hope this helps one person. Another request for you to follow me on all the social channels. See you next week when we're going into dashboards.